Hello second graders, today for spelling we are going to be practicing our new spelling words that have the long I sound, and we're going to first be sorting them. So please find your blue spelling page for today. It is page 57, and then when you find it, would you please put your name at the top, nice and neat please. All right, at the top, we're going to sort our words. So numbers 1, 2, and 3, just 1 and 2 have the long I spelled with just an I. So these words are just our rule breakers. So if you remember our two rule breakers, they are wild and mind. Those are the two that have an I, just one I that should be short, but they break the rules. So Miss Murphy's going to put them in jail because you like when I do that. And those two will go in number 1 and 2. Number 3, 4, and 5 have the long I sound spelled with a Y. So if you remember, they are try, cry, and dry. Those 3 have the long I sound with a Y. 6, 7, and 8 have the long I sound spelled IGH. So if you remember, sight, high, and light all have IGH, making the long I sound. So those will go on 6, 7, and 8. All right, and the last two, write the spelling words that have the long I sound spelled with an IE. So those two words that are left are tie and lie. So those will go on 9 and 10. If you need to pause the video and make sure you match them up correctly, please do. Then on the bottom, you are going to find the misfit letter. So an extra letter has been added to each spelling word below. Draw a line through the letter that does not belong. Write the correct word on the line. So I will do number 1 with you. Number 11 says H-I-G-H-E. Well, Mrs. Murphy remembers from the top, I-G-H makes the long I sound. So I know that has to be there. And the H does, I. But I don't need that E. So I'm going to cross it off, and then I'm going to write it correctly on the line. So you need to cross off one letter that doesn't belong, and then I write it correctly on the line. When you are done with this page, make sure you keep it in a safe spot and you'll hand it in. And then I would like you to go to Spelling City and complete one activity on Spelling City. So whether it's Letterfall, Hang Mouse, Aim to Spell, Test and Teach, complete one Spelling City activity for today. That is your assignment.